Can you see yourself in the 2019 Kia Forte? With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this sleek and slightly rebellious Forte. This compact sedan with an upscale feel prioritizes comfort or sportiness depending on your preference. You'll also love its agile handling, controlled ride, touchscreen infotainment, and active safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes. Don't settle for boring when you could have exhilarating. Get into this refined and spirited Forte. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.